So in today's video, I'm going to teach you what you need to know about media screen. So the first thing we're going to do, let's open our HTML tab and then let me title this media screen. And having done that, I created a file which is style.css. I want to link that file next. Link. So the name of the file is style.css. I'll save that. So let's go straight to our body. See, the media screen is used for responsiveness. And the first thing about media screen I want you to know of is minimum width, maximum width, minimum height, and maximum height. That's the first thing I want you to know. So please make sure you watch to the end to in everything I have to say. So let's open a div and let me name this media one. Then it me text. Let me save this and then let me try previewing this. Okay now. So I've successfully previewed this. So let me go to my style.css folder and my style.css let me just name this media one, this div class media one, and give it a general styling media one. So let me give the color to be blue and the background to be white. So my background is white and my okay, let me just name it red so it to be more visible. Okay, this will be better then. Let me give it. So my text is color blue and my background is red. So now let me introduce the media screen. I want to show you the power of media screen. Media screen is used for responsiveness to build for your tablet, your mobile phone. It's just literally to build for all screen sizes. For you to start up with your media screen, the first thing you have to do is you employ your at media screen and you open your bracket. I'll start with maximum width. Earlier in this video, I mentioned maximum width, minimum height, and maximum height. These are your main characters while dealing with media screen. So after writing your max width, I want to put about 800 pixels. So what I'm currently seeing is that, hey, whenever the screen size is 800 pixels below, please perform these designs. Maximum. From this maximum point of 800 pixels below, let this also design be performed. Then if you have minimum, mean width, that means from 800 pixels above, let's also design be performed. Yeah. So let me still design my media one and give it something different. My color to be pink now. In my background. I want it to be probably, let me just give it orange. I think that's a bad mixture. Let me just make it white. I'll just save it and let me refresh my browser. And you can see that it's clearly listening to this one. So let me enlarge the screen because the screen size is about 800 pixels. When I enlarge it, you see that it is returning back to the previous one it was. Let me, now you can see when it has detected that it's about 800 pixels, the background changes. Then when it's above 800 pixels, it returns to its normal. Okay, I think this is way better for you to see. So when I'm adjusting the screen size, you can see that it's changing. Let me make this more clearer for you and understandable. Let me right click there and go to inspect. This is developers option. You can see that the size is about 870. So it's above 800 pixels. So let's make it to be exactly. Now you can see that immediately it becomes, come just give me, yes, immediately it becomes less than 800 pixels about 778. You can see it here, 794, 778. It immediately picks the design in which we said maximum which should be 800 pixels and let the color be white and background to be orange. That's the first thing I want to show you about. So the second thing I want to show you now is about minimum width. So let me also see at media screen and minimum width. Okay. So I'm saying okay from this width above. Let me see use my 800 pixel. So let me just copy this one above and place it. And see my color should be white and I want my background to be royal blue. If you have any question, you feel free to ask in the comment section. So let me save this and let me refresh it. Remember I said minimum width is from 800 pixels above. I want my color to be white and my background to be royal blue. So this is below 800. So let's get to 800. Can you see now that when it's above 800, it picked up that code. It made my color white and my background to be royal blue. So I have currently explained two things now, two major things while dealing with media screen. The maximum width, it is saying that from 800 pixel below, while the minimum width is saying from 800 pixel above. So that's the major thing you need to take note of. So that means I believe you have quite some knowledge on the second one we are going to. The next one we are going to is maximum height. So at media screen and maximum height. Let me say, okay, let me just take a look at the height of this. We need to give mine. Okay, at maximum height, 770. At maximum height, 70, okay. 70 pixel. 70 pixel is too small. Let me say 700 pixel. For you to know this, let me just give you what you can do. You can just click on this icon here and look at this phone. The height is about 732. So mine, let me just say 732. Okay. So I want my background, my body, my entire body. I want the background to be blue. Let me say when the height is 732 pixel, from 732 pixel below the height, I want my background to be blue. Let me check if that's possible correctly. Since the height is about 732, it means it is responding with this because I said at media screen and when the maximum height is 732 pixel, let my background be blue. So that has successfully been done. So let me just check for another screen size or let me use. Can you see now? This one is about 1180, 11,080 pixel in terms of height. It is way above 732, so it will not pick it. So let me say it is 732. Now you can see that it picked it up correctly. It made the background to be blue. That's one thing you need to know about maximum height. The second thing now, or should I say the last thing for this tutorial is minimum height. At media screen, if you've not, make sure you click that subscribe button, you like and you share this video. It helps us to continually make all these videos for you. And let me see minimum width, minimum height. And remember I said maximum height is 732 pixels below. The minimum height should be 732 pixel above. 732 pixel above. Then I want my body to be pure. I want the background to be just pure orange, orange red to be more specific. Then let me save this with my browser and then refresh. Now remember I said it is from 732. Let me just say 740 740 pixel. Save it, preview. So now this is 732. It will not obey this because this only said from 740 above. So for me to actually check that, let me make the screen size 750. Now you can see that when it is 740 above, the background actually became orange red. I toggle the height to about 750 here. So the background responded to about the body, the background became orange red. So that's everything you basically need to know about media screen. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to click the subscribe button, you like it, and you share this video. Thank you very much for watching. You can watch some of our other videos that is currently popping out on the screen now.